In primetime news this evening, Jamaica's conquest of Budapest hit high gear on Thursday with 5 medals. We have the cash. Government says funds in place to spend on school furniture for September. And testing times. CXC word by administration of exams by regional partners.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. On air and online at onespotmedia.com, I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, we have some news coming out of the NCB Financial Group. Some shakeups have been happening at Link, so I'll give the details in a TVJ News exclusive later on. A TVJ News exclusive in business, but not so exclusive today, but Gold Rush, the story in sports today. Jermaine Brown has the details.
Thank you, Archie. Well, not one, but 2 gold medals on day 6 of the World Athletics Championships, and there were a few more as well, setting us up for what's to come in the next few days of the championships. We'll tell you about all that a bit later on.
Thank you, Jermaine. And we have Romaine Robinson here with us to give us a preview of what's happening in the weather.
Thanks, Andrea. We're still holding on to showers and thunderstorms every afternoon for the remainder of this week, with the heaviest still being on Saturday across most parishes.
Thank you, Romaine. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, how many medals do you think Jamaica will end the World Athletics Championships with, and what were your initial predictions?
I think the clincher of the story, of the question is what were your initial questions? Your initial projections. Share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Don't start counting now.
Yeah. No, start counting now.
Right. So